Are tired of trying side hustle after side hustle but still can't seem to make any of them work? Well, today I'm gonna change all of that because by the end of this video I'm gonna show you step by step the exact strategy that you can follow to make money online this month. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money on Temu. So first of all, you have just to go to Google Play. Here we have Temu by as a millionaire, and you have here over than 100 million dollars. So you have just to click over install to install the application and start with Temu. Then we have here Temu.com. So this is the homepage. You can just open your web browser and dive into Temu.com, and this is the homepage. We have here various products and several products, and you can start earn money on Temu. So Temu is a great platform for you by leveraging its user-friendly featuring. You can resell products, participate in affiliate marketing, or even start your own store. With a wide range of items and competitive prices, you can find opportunities that suit your interest and skills. Join Temu today and start turning your passion into profit. So you can make money on Temu by reselling products, participating in affiliate marketing, or starting your own store. Simply find trending items at low prices, list them for sale, and promote them through social media or your network. Additionally, by joining the affiliate program, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn Temu into a profitable venture. So we can just tell people once you start with Temu by clicking on the link and you get $100 and you buy whatever you want. So if we scroll down, we have here affiliates and influencer earn commission. You can just click over it and you will find this page, which is affiliate and influencer program. We have the first information here. We have earn commission with Temu affiliate and influencer. So we have here earn substantial commission with our diverse products and exclusive offers. Join now to optimize your traffic and unlock significant earnings. So you can just click over get started, and if we scroll down, we have also other information here. We have high commissions, exclusive selling price, and we have trusted brand. Then we have empowered affiliate, tailored benefits for every profile. We have authorized influencers here. As a user authorized through our platform, enjoy a range of benefits including we have here 20% commission, generous commission rates on orders, abundant credits, access a world of credits for additional perks. Then we have user download bonuses, receive rewards for every user download. Then we have your websites. As a registered website affiliate, enjoy a range of benefits tailored for your platform. We have high commission rates, benefit from generous commission rates on orders, and we have your tailored benefits, also adjustable commissions that match your performance. And if we scroll down, we have your standard members. As a standard member, enjoy a range of benefits including we have the first things 20% commission, benefits from generous commission rates on orders, and then we have your user download bonuses, receive rewards for every user download. Then we have your organizations, empower your institution with a customized affiliate experience. We have the first thing, secondary commission. You can earn commissions not only for the sales that directly generate, but also for the sales generated by affiliates you refer to the program. Then you have tailored benefits here, adjustable commissions that match your performance. And if we scroll down, we have here over than 300,000 people have joined us. Then we have here activities with rich rewards for all affiliates. We have here affiliate extra rewards. They win here, as you can see, and you have here per week earn. Then we have referral extra. We have $100 coupon bundle. As you can see, you have your new app users can indulge in a premium experience with clicking your link, receiving an exclusive $100 coupon bundle after their initial downloads. Then you have your free gifts. New app users maximize your affiliate potential. Your referred app users not only get to experience the app's fantastic features, but also stand chance to receive a complimentary gift from Temu. Then we have here how to start with the Temu affiliate program. We have the first step, it's join a list in our driven community of content creators, publishers, and bloggers profiting from the Temu affiliate program. Then we have here share. Strategically share your link and code to invite and engage your audience with a diverse range of high quality products. Then we have earn here, achieve 20% commissions on qualifying purchases and programs, leveraging competitive conversion rates for maximum earnings. And this is how it works. And right now I will show you how you can get started with TikTok and Pinterest. So you can just use TikTok and Pinterest and Reddit and Instagram and YouTube to share your link and convince people use your link. For first one we have here TikTok. So to earn money on Temu.TikTok, you can just start by creating a catching videos that showcase popular products, highlight special deals, unboxing your or unique ways to use items. Include your affiliate link in your profile or video captions for easy access. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. Use trending sounds and hashtags to boost visibility. As viewers click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. Then this is how it works with TikTok, and let's move on to the Pinterest. So we have there some examples you can see, and let's move on to the Pinterest. So to earn money on Temu or Pinterest, you can just create visually appealing pins that highlight popular Temu products, use engaging images and descriptions to attract attention, and include your affiliate link and pin details. Focus on niche topics that resonate with your audience, such as home decor or fashion. Regularly update your boards with new products and trends to keep followers engaged. As users click on your link and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So this is how it works with Pinterest, and right now let's move on to the next one, which is Reddit. So to earn money on Temu.Reddit, you can just share product recommendations, create helpful posts that highlight popular Temu items, and include your affiliate link following subreddit rules. Engage with the community by answering questions and providing valuable insights. Use a genuine tone to build trust and encourage clicks. Post regularly to maintain visibility and interests. As users make purchases draw your link, you will earn commissions on those sales. Then this is how it works with Reddit, and let's move into the Instagram and YouTube. So to earn money on Temu, Instagram and YouTube, you can just start engaging content that showcase popular products. On Instagram, post a catching photos or reel featuring Temu items and include your affiliate link in your bio. Then on YouTube, you can just create unboxing videos, review or tutorials, plus send your affiliate link in the video description. Use relevant hashtags and keywords to boost visibility. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. As they click your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. And this is how it works with this. And right now, let's say leveraging platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, Instagram, and YouTube can effectively help you earn money through Temu. By creating engaging and informative content that highlights popular products and strategically sharing your full links, you can attract a wider audience and drive sales. Consistent engagement with your followers and staying updated on trends will further enhance your success. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your social media presence into a profitable venture. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more business tips tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will be happy to help. Have a fantastic day ahead.